Rumors are swirling that Fujifilm might skip the X-Pro4 entirely and launch the X-Pro5 as a full-fledged reboot of its most iconic rangefinder line. Unlike a typical incremental update, this camera is shaping up to be a serious evolution, combining heritage design with modern technical upgrades. Early 2026 is the expected release window, giving Fujifilm time to implement substantial improvements that go beyond cosmetic tweaks. Leaks suggest a new 40-megapixel X-Trans sensor and a faster processor, hinting at better dynamic range, cleaner high ISO performance, and improved readout speeds. This combination would modernize the X-Pro series, providing higher resolution images with minimal noise while retaining the tactile shooting experience it's known for. Perhaps the most anticipated addition is in-body image stabilization. Historically, X-Pro users have relied on their skill and lenses to manage low-light or handheld shooting, but IBIS could change that dynamic entirely. Integrating stabilization into a rangefinder-style body is challenging, but if Fujifilm succeeds, photographers could enjoy sharper handheld shots, more flexibility with long lenses, and better video performance. This feature, combined with a hybrid optical/electronic viewfinder that has reportedly been upgraded with faster refresh rates and improved parallax correction, could make the X-Pro5 a versatile tool for both stills and video. Ergonomics also seem to be refined, with a slightly larger grip, better button layout, and a sturdier magnesium chassis featuring enhanced weather sealing. USB-C power delivery is likely, which would make extended shoots less stressful. While some fans worry Fujifilm might be focusing more on the X, T, and X, H series, the rumors suggest the X-Pro5 is being treated as a flagship. Skipping the X-Pro4 appears intentional, allowing Fujifilm to position the X-Pro5 as a major step forward. If the X-Pro5 includes a 40-megapixel sensor, IBIS, and an upgraded hybrid viewfinder, it could appeal to street photographers, travel shooters, and documentary creators who need discretion, speed, and reliability. At the same time, purists who value the traditional X-Pro experience might be cautious, as too much modernization could dilute the line's identity. At the same time, Fujifilm's X-T6 is generating excitement for its rumored specifications. Early leaks point to a 5th-generation X-Trans sensor, potentially 45 megapixels, coupled with a faster processor for cleaner high ISO performance and improved dynamic range. These upgrades would allow for faster burst shooting and reduce rolling shutter, critical for both photography and video. Autofocus is rumored to get a significant boost with hybrid AF powered by AI, offering faster eye detection, improved animal and vehicle tracking, and better continuous focus in challenging lighting. Combined with 7 stops of IBIS, handheld shooting and low-light video would be far more manageable than previous models. Video features on the X-T6 are rumored to be a major focus. Expected capabilities include 6.2K 2K capture, 4K at 60 frames per second, internal 10-bit 4:2:2 recording, and even potential 4K 120 FPS slow motion. Improved thermal management could allow longer recording without interruptions, and support for dual codecs, including possible internal ProRes, would give hybrid creators more professional workflows without external recorders. USB-C power delivery and faster battery charging are also rumored, addressing the common issue of runtime for long shoots. A fully articulating 3.2-inch touchscreen would make the camera more versatile for vloggers or gimbal users, while a higher resolution EVF and magnesium chassis with weather sealing would add durability and reliability in harsh conditions. Other practical improvements include dual card slots, with at least one supporting faster formats like CF Express Type B or SD Express. This would enable redundancy for important work, especially high-resolution stills or video. Ergonomic refinements, such as a denser grip and better button placement, would also make long shoots less fatiguing. Battery life is rumored to be extended, with more shots per charge and faster USB-C charging making it easier to work on location. With pricing whispers in the $1,600 $1,800 range, the X-T6 seems positioned to compete well with other APS-C hybrids while keeping Fujifilm's signature color and handling intact. Taken together, the X-Pro5 and X-T6 demonstrate Fujifilm's approach to balancing tradition with modern innovation. The X-Pro5 appears to be a deliberate evolution of the rangefinder line, modernizing its internals without compromising the tactile, distraction-free shooting experience that made it popular. The X-T6, on the other hand, seems focused on hybrid creators, offering a versatile mix of high-quality stills and professional-grade video in a compact, manageable body. Both cameras emphasize reliability, performance, and usability, addressing long-standing requests for better autofocus, IBIS, improved video, and more flexible shooting options. The X-Pro5 may especially appeal to photographers who prize discretion, tactile control, and rangefinder aesthetics while demanding modern technical performance. With potential improvements in sensor technology, IBIS, hybrid viewfinder functionality, and ergonomics, the X-Pro5 could redefine what a flagship APS-C rangefinder can do. Meanwhile, the X-T6 could become the go-to option for hybrid shooters needing high-resolution stills and robust video features without the bulk of full-frame systems. Together, these cameras represent a significant step forward in Fujifilm's APS-C strategy. Leaked details suggest the X-Pro5 will maintain Fujifilm's classic aesthetic while delivering the technology needed for contemporary photographers. A stronger chassis, better weather sealing, and subtle ergonomic changes show attention to long-term usability, while a faster processor and high-resolution sensor promise tangible improvements in image quality and speed. If IBIS is implemented effectively, it could solve one of the most persistent limitations of previous X-Pro bodies: handheld performance in low light and for longer lenses. Meanwhile, upgrades to the hybrid viewfinder ensure the camera retains its identity and unique shooting experience, blending optical clarity with modern electronic functionality. Similarly, the X-T6 seems to embrace Fujifilm's philosophy of creating cameras that are both practical and creative tools. Improved autofocus with AI-assisted subject recognition, high-resolution sensors, extended IBIS, and professional-grade video codecs could turn the camera into a genuine hybrid powerhouse. Ergonomic refinements, weather sealing, dual card slots, and better battery life make it a reliable option for demanding conditions. With internal ProRes capture, high frame rate 4K, and 6.2K 2K recording, the X-T6 could meet the needs of creators who want both flexibility and quality in a portable body. Overall, the rumored X-Pro5 and X-T6 suggest Fujifilm is committed to pushing APS-C technology forward, addressing long-standing requests for higher resolution, better stabilization, improved autofocus, and professional video capabilities. Both cameras reflect a thoughtful approach to balancing innovation with heritage design, ensuring photographers and videographers can work efficiently without sacrificing the tactile experience that has defined Fujifilm's APS-C lineup. Early 2026 could see the launch of cameras that elevate what APS-C systems can achieve, whether for street photography, travel, documentary work, or hybrid video projects. Ultimately, these rumored releases underscore Fujifilm's commitment to serving photographers with a diverse set of needs, from street and documentary work to hybrid content creation. With thoughtful ergonomics, durable builds, improved sensors, faster processors, and professional-grade video options, the X-Pro5 and X-T6 could offer the best of both worlds: modern performance and the distinctive Fujifilm experience. If these leaks are accurate, early 2026 may bring cameras that redefine APS-C expectations, allowing photographers and videographers to achieve world-class results without compromise.